Hello everybody, welcome to my greatest hits video of the Robinhood Roundabout. It's really complex. It's got many lanes. It's poorly marked because the council haven't painted the road markings, and at this time of year that's even worse because they're wet, and when it's dark it's worse. The lines are terrible, you can't see the stop lines. That's not an excuse for jumping a red traffic light, by the way. You should be careful when you're changing lanes. Always check your mirrors, always check your blind spot. Use a signal so people can see what you intend to do. But don't just chop in front of someone. Also, stay off your mobile phones, people. Someone in this video is clearly using one. If they're not using a phone, then they're playing something on their lap. I don't know what they're looking at. But I would say it's a mobile phone. Anyway, good luck. Hope it's helpful. And please don't forget to check out my online driving course. The details are down here. The link is in the description. 18 videos, 4 hours of footage, and loads of helpful questions and answers to help you pass your test as soon as possible with less time spent explaining stuff on the side of the road. Let's get back to some driving. So here we go, we're on the A4 heading towards the Robinhood Roundabout. There's a person there that's just been on their phone. We joined the roundabout. As you can see, the markings are pretty poorly marked, but they are there, you can see them. If you want to change lanes, give us a bit of warning and try and give us a little bit of space. I've just had to stop my car because there's someone behind me on my right. Here, there's a moped. What are you doing? Why are you trying to fit through this gap? At speed. This lorry driver. Come on. And I did contact the company, but they didn't get back to me. That's a red light. And they're going really fast. Here we go again. Van driver's the culprit this time. This person now tries to change 3 lanes in one go, not checking their blind spot. And that's even worse in a van because you can't see out of the side window if you do check it. And here we have another jumper of the lights. Here we go. In the distance there's a red light, and this person now goes straight through it. And then everybody has to slam on their brakes. They then stop on the next light, which is green. And then everybody stops, and you may be able to hear the horns honking as I talk. Yes. Anyway, as you can see, there is a red light top right corner. Okay. This one was recorded this week. We're going straight ahead from the town. And this white car, like a bullet, appears. Just slow down and look at the traffic light. It's really dangerous.